In this video, I will be talking about this new scene, which is the drum dry scene. So if we head here first, these two boards will explain any tips and tricks on how to use the simulator. The information about this can be found in a separate video, which can be found in our YouTube channel. So if I head on to the main unit, so we got the dry control unit, the key exchange unit, and the knife control unit. So the dry control unit controls the power for this whole system. So it has start and stop buttons, and currently it's in the off position. So that's why we can take this key. The key exchange works with the dry control unit. So the red key goes into this unit, and any of these keys can be used to open any of the blue doors, which is this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's why there's 8 keys on this unit. On this one, this is the knife control unit. So there's an up and down button which controls the knife that scrapes material on this area of the machine. So there's 2 areas. So there's this side, so it's labeled green. So there's this side and this side. So there's 2 openings. That's why there's 2 keys. Let me explain the dry control first. So right now it's in the off position. So we can press start. Green light means there's power here. So that means we can't take this key anymore. So it doesn't turn green until we press stop. If we press stop, there's a 5-second rundown time. So the key should be grabbable if it turns green. So right now, so if I press it, I can't grab it till 5 seconds later. Now we can grab it, and it says red. And for the knife control unit, so you can control the knife up and down, but you can't control it anymore when we remove one of these keys. So see how they don't turn blue anymore. Or put this back. When we remove this red key, we can't control it anymore. So first thing first, we can take this key. We can put it here, which releases any of these keys. So there's a pop-up bubble here that says the blue keys can be used in any interlocks with a blue label, and it can also be returned in any position. So I can take this key, put it down here, that key down here. Swap the order around so I can put this at the bottom, and I can put this top. And we can still remove this. So first thing first, we can take this key, we can open any door. So say I want to open this middle door, put it close to there. Now I can open it and do my work inside here. While it's open, we can't grab the key so it doesn't turn green. So say another worker can grab this key, can open this door right here. Now we can do this work on this while this person's doing their work on that. So this is in the off position. We can't press the up and down buttons. can still activate, well, we still take one of the green keys. Say if we want to do any maintenance on this part of the unit, open that. So this is where the knife will be located. Do any maintenance on that. Since we can't operate the up and down button, there's no risk in opening this door. I close this. Take this key. Put it back here. We can't still activate the up and down button since there's people working on the unit. So say they finish up their work, close this door, take this key, return it on this area, close this door, grab this key, and return it to this door. Okay, there we go. Now we can take this red key, put it here. If I just remove this for a bit, we can't activate the button. So when this key is trapped on this unit, there's no way power can be started until this key returns to this. Now we can press start. Green light stays on. Now we can't grab this key since the unit is on power mode. And that should be it.